Okay, today we're going to learn about how to use a WebQuest for our art class. We're going to copy and paste the URL up top that I'm going to give you. I'm going to write it up on the chalkboard. Okay, and let's go to that website right there. It brings you right here to the website Zunal. The title is going to be Journey Through Van Gogh's Art. Here's a picture of A Starry Night by Vincent Van Gogh.
Look out on a summer's day with eyes that know.
If you look to the left, there's a couple different places that you can go. You're basically going to start with the title, go down to the introduction, and just work your way down. Task, process, evaluation, and conclusion. Scroll down to look at the introduction. Here's a portrait of Vincent Van Gogh. On the introduction page, it's going to tell you a little bit about what you're going to be doing on this WebQuest and who you're going to be learning about, Vincent Van Gogh. Okay, you're going to be answering some questions and doing a repainting of one of his artworks. Next, we're going to go to task. Here's another painting by Vincent Van Gogh. This is going to tell you what exactly you're going to be doing. Okay. Process. Scroll down. Each student is going through the questions 1 through 10, and you're going to find the answers with the links provided. All answers should be given in at least one complete sentence on a separate sheet of paper. Some answers will need to be longer than one sentence. You'll be told that in the question just as a reminder. So we're going to scroll down. Here's questions 1 through 10. As you notice, here's the question number 1. You also see question 1 written in purple. That's where you're going to click, and it's going to take you to the page you need to find the answer. The question, when and where was Vincent Van Gogh born? Basically, click here. It takes you to this website. Every website is going to be different, and you're going to have to read the entire thing to find the answer on the WebQuest. So here we go. There's some more questions as you scroll down. Some of them are going to be longer, like number 6. This answer must be at least 3 sentences long. They need to be complete sentences, not one-word answers. So let's try another one. Here we go. We have more. And that question is, take a look at the 2 different self-portraits Van Gogh painted of himself. In which do you think he looks calmer? Read the letter Vincent Van Gogh wrote to his brother Theo. What does he have to say about the 2 portraits? This answer must be at least 3 sentences long, so it reminds you again. So it says, look for the 2 portraits. Here at the bottom, you're going to read this letter to his brother, and you'll find out some interesting facts about both these to answer your question. Okay? Go through each question carefully. Make sure whatever link it takes you to, you read the entire page. Go through every single one. We're going to check number 9. Take a look at Van Gogh's biography and write down 3 interesting facts about his life and what did you not know before. Some of these websites may take a little longer to load. That's okay. Just let it take its time. Okay, so here's a shorter biography on him. You're going to find the answer in there. Do not click around in any of these other side things. If something like this pops up down here, just basically click out of it with an X. Okay? Go back up here to the first tab. Number 10, help the alien explore the MoMA Museum. Use the arrows to search through the museum for Van Gogh's Starry Night. Once you find it, click on it and explore. Who were Van Gogh's artist friends? So we're going to click on question 10. It shows this alien.
Destination modern art.
He's going to the MoMA.
Galactic journey to MoMA and PS1.
I have been sent to Earth on a mission to explore.
We're going to skip the intro. Okay.
Can you tell me to explore the museum?
Using these
Click on
arrows
an artwork to go to the activities.
to the left and to the
Use
right,
the arrow buttons below to move back and forth.
you're going to move back and forth. There's artwork here. These are sculptures. You don't want to click on those yet. You want to go look through for Van Gogh's Starry Night. Here it is. Once you find it, click on it.
Pick one.
And you could look to the left. You could listen.
Move your mouse over the starry night.
Okay.
What do you hear?
You could play around on this website, but where you want to find your answer is right here where it says About, and you see Van Gogh's head. You're going to click there.
on each number to learn a fact about Vincent Van Gogh.
Okay.
This morning I saw the country from my window a long time before sunrise, with nothing but the morning star, which looked very big.
Somewhere in here on one of these numbers is where you're going to find that answer. If you want to go back and look at the other artwork, click here, back to the museum. If you have some extra time, you can go through and look at some of these other artworks and learn some more about another artist, but only if you are done working on your WebQuest for Vincent Van Gogh. Okay, so go through all 10 questions. Next, we're going to go to the evaluation. On the evaluation, it says below is the rubric that will be used to grade your work. There will be one rubric used to grade both your answers to the WebQuest and your actual painting. Okay, so this is for a total of 12 points. Make sure you read through these very carefully. You want to get a total of 4 points for each. Okay, so you want to be over here in the exemplary part. If you are missing some things, you're going to get points off. So exemplary is 4 points. Very good is worth 3. Developing is worth 2, and beginning is worth 1. If you did not even meet the beginning, you will be getting a 0. Hopefully that won't be happening for anybody. Okay, next we're going to go to conclusion. This is going to wrap everything up for you, what we've learned, and these are all the websites where we got everything from the bibliography. Have fun, play around with it, and if you have any questions, let me know.